Over the course of our 2 previous sessions, we assisted the students in establishing the concept of representing the different types of angles. We did this by engaging them in some interesting hands-on activities as a part of the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation. Now, as discussed, let's continue implementing this innovative idea by exploring another activity through which we will be introducing the students to the concept of measuring angles. So, let's begin by informing the students that they will now learn to measure angles by making a degree clock in the classroom. Inform the students that angles are measured in degrees. While writing its symbol as shown on the blackboard, state that this symbol is used to denote degrees. Allow the students to remain in the same groups as that for the previous activity. Distribute a sheet of paper, a compass, a drawing pen and scissors to each of the 3 groups. We will then proceed to guide the students through the step-by-step process of making a degree clock. Ensure to demonstrate each step as well to make it easier for the students to understand. Begin by asking the students to make a big circle on their sheet of paper using the compass. Next, ask them to cut the circle out and fold it in half. Then, ask the students to fold it in half once again to make a quarter. After this, they will need to fold the quarter again in half. Once that is done, ask the students to open the folds. They will now be able to see all the creases that were created by the folds on the circular piece of paper. Guide the students to mark the creases that correspond to 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Now, inform the students that from the center of the circle, they will need to draw a fixed hand at 0 degrees using a pencil. Then, ask the students to make the other hand of the degree clock by cutting out a strip from the remaining scrap piece of paper. Ask the students to fix one end of the strip to the center of the circle using a drawing pen, so that the strip can pivot easily. Give the group some time to complete the process of making their degree clocks. Now, all that we need to do is assist the students in establishing the concept of measuring angles by making use of their degree clocks. But let's do that in our next video.